Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Click the profile icon, then choose Autofill, then Passwords. You need to see the list so you know what will be removed, and make sure sync is on or off intentionally. Once there, scan quickly for any critical logins you must back up externally. Do not export unless you plan to delete it securely. This step ensures you won't lose access unexpectedly when you purge everything. You now remove entries. Use the three-dot menu beside individual passwords to delete them, or bulk delete from Settings by opening Clear Browsing Data, choose Advanced, check Passwords, and Clear. If Chrome was syncing, make sure to also visit Passwords. Google.com or your Google account to delete synced passwords and disable password sync so deleted items don't reappear. Make sure you understand that clearing here removes local, and when you finish by signing out of Chrome, restarting the browser, and confirming the passwords list is empty locally and at Passwords. Google.com. If you still see entries, disable sync first, then repeat Clear Browsing Data and remove any remaining device entries from your Google account. Finally, reboot. If a password persists, make sure no other device is reintroducing it. Disconnect or wipe that device's Chrome data before re-enabling sync to avoid restoration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.